So on the 3rd of April I was at Barassie because I was there to see a rail operations group movement, and she was under 5SO1. The early 1625 turned up at 1604 rail operations group service to Slateford depot from Doncaster Works Wabtec with 57312. And then we go to Paisley Gilmer Street to see it again, however my first catch would be 1F72, the 1710 Scotrail service to Glasgow Central from Ardrossan Harbour with 380 110. And then this is 2G33, the 1722 Scotrail service to Gourock from Glasgow Central with 318 262. And then this is 1T22, the 1734 Scotrail service to Glasgow Central from Largs with 380 008 and 380 016. And then this is 5SO1, the 1739 Rail Operations Group service to Slateford depot from Doncaster Works Wabtec with 57312.